Okay, this is the continuation of the 4 majors analysis for the 20th of October 2010, provided by Serene Education using their CTC strategy template on their preferred trading platform, Metastock Pro. Hi guys, Chris here. I'm just going to go through the sterling against the US dollar pair. Just going to call up the daily time frame to have a look at and see what happened yesterday. And you'll notice, just like the euro, we saw a lot of selling taking place on the sterling against the US dollar pair. What it's done now is it's broken that uptrend. Okay, and this is after attempting to trade higher than the 1600 we saw. And now what it's done is it's brought us back down to a previous support area in the shape, in the area. There we go. If I can just extend it right. So we had a previous support area here, and it's brought us to this area. Now you'll notice on the Asian market time frame or trading session, we've seen both sides of it now are sitting in an indecision or doji. Ideally what we would like to see is if this continues to trade like this today, then the following day we'd like to see a decision candle. You'll notice that the 50 period moving average is just trading below it, so it's 1565-ish area. So there's another stop just below that level. Okay. So decision today, ideally we want to see more trading to the downside. We'd like to see the pair close below the low of yesterday's range. So we'll have a look at the intraday time frame to have a look and see what we have. Well, you'll notice that on the 4 hour, the 200 period moving average is coming to play and acted as a support area. This around potential support and resistance in the past. A failure to find support of this area, we'll see the pair trading for the first time below this 200 period moving average in as many days, and this would set up an opportunity to see if we could find some more downside movement. There's some around here just below the, or in between the 1550 area, and ultimately there's some right down here just below the 153500 mark. That's on a 4 hour time frame. If you look at our intraday time frames, the smaller time frames, you'll notice that the 50 period moving averages, since the pair has broken 200 on this time frame, has acted as a resistance level. So the 50 period moving average acting as a strong resistance level, as you can see here. I've just put it down on the chart. I'll just change it to a different color so you can see it nice and strong. There we go. And failure to break higher than that would obviously see the pair trade lower subsequently. Okay, so straight away we can see that there was a resistance level here at this area. Asian market trading, we saw the pullback occurring, but failed to close higher than 1575, and subsequently it's falling over again. Ideally, if this is going to be bullish again or see some more upside movement, it needs to close above 1575 and this trend line to see a tackle of the breakout that we saw when the move actually fell. So anywhere above 1585 with the 200 here. So if break and close here would see us in some nice open air for the foreseeable day up until this area here, where we'd be met with some more resistance in the form of the previous bounce as well as the 200 period moving average. So what we're looking for now, because we're in a negative trend on this time frame, 30 minute, we've got to look for more shorting opportunities. Okay, so if I go to a 15 minute, we're now testing on this side. For it to gain momentum, it needs to stay above 1570. If not, we could see it retest the low that we saw previously at 1565. Okay, so you can see where we are now. We are in a area where we've had resistance and we've got a support level. Failure to break, close higher than the 50, which is now broken above. We could see this retest or fall back. You can see it's fallen over, fall back to this area here and then fall lower. So wait, bide your time, look for the correct setup and then trade it. Okay, don't rush head into it. You've got to make sure everything's in your favor before you take the leap, and make sure your money management's also factor up. Okay guys, see you soon.